Hey, I'm Yankel, and I hear there's a big football game happening soon, and you know what that means? Party wings. So I'm gonna show you the quickest, easiest way to make the most incredible baked wings in the history of football. So in front of me, I've got 3 pounds of wings, which is not gonna be enough wings because I can eat 3 pounds no problem. But in the industry, what we call party wings are made up of 2 pieces. We've got the flat, which has the 2 little bones in it, and then the drumette, which looks like a little drumstick. Everyone has their favorite. Mine is the flat. I will fight you for them. All right, we're gonna make a beautiful dry rub, and then we're gonna pair it with a Buffalo Ranch style dipping sauce that's tangy and light. It gives you that balance you need. While we're doing this, I'm gonna teach you 3 awesome tricks on how to get the super, super crispy wings. First things first, our dry rub. For me, a dry rub generally consists of 4 to 1 spices to salt. So I've got some nice kosher salt, and we're going with really simple ingredients, things that you will have sitting in your cabinet at home. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, gives it a little bit of sweetness. Some cayenne, just enough to give you that bite, and some fresh ground black pepper. Give that a little stir, mix it all together. I'm putting aside a nice big tablespoon. That is gonna go into my dipping sauce. So I'm keeping that for later. Right onto the wings, and we're gonna rub it real good. That little bit of liquid that's on the wings, that helps the spice rub adhere really nicely. If it gets clumpy, don't worry about it. Those clumps get crisp in the oven. That's the part that tastes the best. Now, trick number 1. Wings are gonna go into the refrigerator for a little while, and I'm gonna put them down on the pan so that there is maximum skin facing upwards. Salt is gonna draw a little bit of moisture out of the wings. Refrigerator air is gonna evaporate that moisture, and that's gonna give us a really dry skin, which is the key to making it crispy in the oven. We are set up for our first trick of the day, how to keep them super crispy, and that means lined up on the rack, skin side facing up, going into the fridge for about an hour while we make our dip. While the wings are chilling, we're gonna put our dip together, and the key to a good wing dip is balance. It should really be bright because wings are salty and spicy, and we want something to match that. So I'm starting our wing dip today with plain Greek yogurt. We're gonna get that into the bowl. I'm adding a little bit of sour cream because I think it has a nice tang to it, but you can substitute any other mayonnaise or just go Greek yogurt all the way. That's fine as well. So let's get sour cream in there. All right, now for our spices and a little bit more acidity. So I've got lemon juice and white vinegar. And again, you can substitute your favorite vinegar. I like the flavor of white for this sauce, and typically buffalo sauce has white vinegar as the base. So we're matching some flavors there. A little lemon juice, some extra zest. We've got our spice mix that's left over. That goes right in there. And then a touch more cayenne and a little extra salt. So I'm gonna mix that up, and then we'll cut some fresh chives in just to give it a little bit of extra oniony oomph. Well, if you're ever wondering why we associate wings with football, it's kind of an interesting story. So in the early 1980s, there was a cultural shift that went from eating whole roasted chicken to wanting boneless white breast meat. And what happened was there was a surplus of wings. So all of a sudden, prices on wings dropped, and all sorts of industrious chefs said, I'll take the cheap wings. And they started to make bar snacks out of it. Around the same time, satellite television took off. It became affordable, and suddenly we had sports bars with lots of TVs. What they realized was, when you're serving wings at a sports bar, all of a sudden people are drinking more beer. So now we have beer, football, and party wings. All right, quick mince on the chives. The chives and the lemon juice and the vinegar and the Greek yogurt, they're all gonna interact, and the flavor is going to blossom over time. So if you want to make this dip in advance, it's only going to get better overnight. Right in. These are exact measurements. Stir that up, and we're going to cover it, put it in the fridge, and get to baking our wings. Time to preheat the oven. I'm going with 425, and I have a convection mode, so I'm putting it on convection roast. So if you have a convection mode, now's the time to use it. If not, a regular mode is fine. While we let the oven heat up, I'm gonna show you trick number 2. So the wings have been in the fridge for an hour. Now we're gonna brush them with butter. And the butter adds really nice elements of flavor, a little bit of fat, and it really helps the crisping process a lot. And that's really what we want out of wings. Nice, crisp crunch when you bite into it. So melted butter, brush it on gently. We don't wanna ruin that nice rub we put all over them. So just a dab. And these are going to be amazing. I would brush everything with butter if I could. Wings are going into the oven, 45 minutes, and halfway through, I'm gonna show you trick number 3. We're about halfway through the cooking process, and it's time for trick number 3. Now, a lot of steam builds up in the oven that's released from the wings. We wanna let that steam out because that's gonna make that skin super crispy. So halfway through, just crack the oven door and watch that steam escape. That's plenty. We don't wanna lose too much heat. I'm gonna close it up. See you in 20 minutes. Wings are done. Gotta put them on the platter. We've got, you know, the requisite carrots and celery. Our dip looks fantastic. You can probably hear how crispy that skin is. House is ready for a party, let me tell you. Although I really don't need anyone else for this party because I've got 3 pounds of wings to keep me busy. Only thing left to do is crack a beer. So when it comes to watching football with friends or sitting around or needing a quick snack that's easy to put together, there's really nothing better than party wings. Hut! Cheers.